Hi guys, my name is Rashid from Trips Africa, and here are 5 budget-friendly trip advice if you're struggling to hit your vacation goals due to limited funds. Road trips. Consider road trips to neighboring countries as they will save you a lot. For example, I'm in Nigeria here now, and from Nigeria you can do a road trip to Benin Republic, Togo, Ghana, Abidjan, Senegal, and the rest of the country in the West African region. In some other cases, you can even combo about 3 or 4 of these countries together, and to save you a lot of money instead of flying flights from Nigeria down to this country. So start in your country by exploring your local gems. This is actually the best idea of all, to be sincere, because it's very budget friendly. You are in a very safe terrain, and typically a terrain that you understand. For example, I'm in Nigeria here, and there are a lot of places in Nigeria that you can visit. The first one is you can easily go to Yankari Game Reserves in Bauchi, Osogbo Grove. The entire Osun has like a lot of tourist destinations. Ado Ekiti, the warm and cold. You can also go to let me look for what. Yeah, Abeokuta is there, OPL. You can also do the likes of Kano State and so many more. Yeah, there's even a desert that was discovered in Yusufari in Yobe also. So there's so many places in Nigeria. Group trips. Group trip is a kind of trip where everybody contributes to make the trip come alive. You can plan a trip with your friends, colleagues, families. As a matter of fact, you can also join one of the companies traveling to different destinations in Africa on group trips. Volunteering. So there are a couple of companies online that are looking for people to volunteer to do different things for them in exchange for sponsoring the trips. So you can look for a few of those opportunities on the internet, and then you might be lucky, one of them, and might be going towards the destination you're planning, and you have it. Backpacking or hostel stays. So this one, you can reach out to different backpacking organizations in different destinations across the world based on the country you're going to. You can send them an email and tell them you're coming to their countries. They can offer you assist. Also, even in your local country, you can find backpacking groups that are going to different destinations across the world, and you can join them. Also, for hostel stays, you can get a few of them in different countries around the world, depending on where you're going. Then you can be able to say, okay, the one in this country is good, and I don't want to try the one in this other country. So if you find this video helpful, like, follow, or subscribe for more travel ideas. Thank you.